If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your Yahoo Mail account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Locate two-step verification. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Disable two-step verification. Click on the toggle switch or checkbox next to two-step verification to turn it off. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or enter your password again for security purposes. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-step verification, ensure that you receive a confirmation message indicating that the feature has been turned off. You can now exit the settings. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Yahoo Mail account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and being cautious with your login information.